can't go forward and backward at the same time, right? So you can't go forward and you can't go backward at the same time. You got to choose one direction to go. It's based on how much action you're going to take and what are you going to give up in order to reach your goal, right? Yes, you have to give up. You know, it's the myth of, they say that you can have it all. Yes, you can have it all, but then no, you can't have it all, right? You can't go backwards and forward at the same time. That's what I mean by you can't have it all. You can't be eating jelly donuts every single day and expect to lose weight. You can't have it all, okay? That's what I mean. It's a myth. You've been lied to. People are lying to you saying you can have it all. You can't have it all. But then you can have it all at the same time. You can have great health and you can also enjoy nutritious food. Yes, it won't be jelly donuts every single day, but maybe once a week. Once a week you can have a jelly donut, and then you can also maintain your organ function and be healthy, right? So in that sense, you can have it all. But the point of this post is the blue zones, these people, they have purpose, right? We already established they have purpose and they work at their purpose every single day. In the video, in that TED Talk video, there's these 90-year-olds, they're still chopping wood. How many 30, 40-year-olds are out there chopping wood? I don't know many. In fact, I don't know any. And then we've got 90-year-olds in these blue zone areas who are chopping wood every single day. They got purpose. They are taking action every single day. No wonder they have great quality of life. So if you want a great quality of life, you want a great life, you want to have abundant health so that you can enjoy your family, you can take them on hikes, you can enjoy vacations, you gotta get in the woodshed and start chopping, okay? There's no ways around it. Many people try to take the shortcuts, taking supplements, medications, the shortcuts, having this and that. There isn't a shortcut, okay? The sooner that we can grasp that, the sooner that we take massive action. But then if you don't, if you push on the brake while stepping on the gas pedal, then you're just going nowhere. Actually, you're going forward a little, because I've actually, you know those emergency brakes, in the car? If you pull that and you push on the accelerator, you will actually still move forward, right? But what happens later is you actually start damaging your brakes. And if you damage your brakes, pretty soon you ain't gonna be able to stop, right? And so, you're gonna damage your car while you're putting on the emergency brake and putting the accelerator at the same time. That's the same thing with your health. If you're doing things, if you're going out, eating pizza every night, eating burgers every night, eating sugar, drinking alcohol every single night, and then trying to be healthy and think that, okay, I'm gonna exercise it off and then I'll eat a salad tomorrow and that will cancel out. It doesn't work that way, okay? The body doesn't work that way. You gotta make a commitment. Make a commitment to eat right, to turn your life around.
Contact us to schedule an initial exam today.